In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up forms in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool, how to customize the design and content, set targeting rules, and publish with confidence. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. On the left toolbar, hover over the marketing icon and select CTAs. This area manages calls to action, including pop-ups. In the CTAs area, choose the pop-up option and click. Use templates to open the editor with a default layout. Think of this as your starting canvas. You can adjust everything to match your brand and goals. Inside the editor, select any module directly on the preview to open its properties panel on the left. On the Content tab, edit text, images, and button labels. Keep your copy short, clear, and benefit-focused, and make the call to action unmistakable. Switch to the Styles tab to adjust alignment, spacing, and other visual details to keep the layout clean and readable. When you hover over a module, you'll see quick actions to edit, clone, or delete it, which is handy for testing variations without rebuilding from scratch. If you want to add more modules, use the breadcrumb at the top of the left panel to go back to the home of the editor panel. Open the Add tab to browse the modules you can drag and drop onto your pop-up. Use the Content tab to view and manage the layer order of elements, which helps when arranging overlapping items. Then visit the Design tab to fine-tune sizing, layout, global styles, background, and close options. Choosing an easy-to-find close icon and comfortable spacing improves user experience and can increase engagement. At the top center of the editor, you'll start on the Edit tab. Switch to the Targeting tab to choose when and where the pop-up appears, who should see it, and how often. This is where you can prevent overexposure by setting frequency and define relevant pages or audiences. Next, open the Options tab to set how the pop-up behaves on small screens. Add it to a marketing campaign. Enable click tracking, and schedule start and end times for displaying and publishing. For mobile, consider a compact layout so the message is clear without overwhelming the screen. When everything looks good, click Review and Publish in the top right. A panel will summarize the details of your pop-up. Confirm your choices, click Publish Now, then approve the confirmation prompt. You'll see a brief confirmation that your CTA is live. And that's it. You've created a customized HubSpot pop-up, configured its targeting and options, and published it so it can start capturing leads right away.